Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2021 Ford Mustang Premium Convertible. It has the 5-liter V8, the 10-speed automatic, active exhaust system, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and is painted in shadow black with the showstopper red leather seats. All right, starting back here, here's our trunk lid, and inside the trunk itself, you can see it's all lined. Nice big trunk in these Mustangs. We have the covers there for your convertible top. Here we have the 5-liter badges. I'll lift this up here. You can see we got the full-size spare in there. And we have your subwoofer here. It does have the B&O sound system, so it has the great sounding system. Cargo net there. We'll go ahead and close the trunk lid here, and we'll zoom out. You can see the black dash. It's got the light bar there. You can see the black seats from the rear and the red tops there. It's got the black convertible top, and we do have the upgraded rear spoiler here, similar to the GT 500s. Same kind of style anyways. LED sequential taillights, blacked out tail panel, chrome GT badge there. I'll just step back here. You can see that rear diffuser has the active exhaust system down below. So the dual exhaust with the quad tips, so you can change the exhaust tone on this one. And it sounds really great with that 5-liter motor. All right, let's make our way to the wheels next. So we have the multi-spoke wheel. It's done in a gunmetal finish, wrapped in Firestone tires all the way around. We have a 275/40 R19 in the rear, 4-wheel disc brakes. I'll show you the front here. So here's our front. You can see how large those brakes are in the front, being the GT model. They are Brembo brakes, 6-piston caliper, and they say Brembo on them. Front tire size is a 275/40 R19. We'll check out the interior next. So we got the black door panel. You're gonna see this nice slight strip there, the showstopper red, just for contrast. And then we get, again, the B&O sound system, power locks, power windows. There's your releases there. Here's our dash over here. B&O badge there. You got that engine spun type trim, the Mustang there, and this Mustang badge was added. We have the glove box there, books inside. Here's our door jambs, nice and tidy. Your Mustang kick plate down below. We got the carpeted mats here. Here's our power seat with the manual recline, and again, leather seats, the showstopper red, very sharp. We'll go ahead and check out the rear seat so you can see how well the red stands out there. We'll go ahead and close the door next. Show you that profile, that spoiler here. And there's our black top, the red seats, light bar. Got the black mirror caps, signals built in, body colored door handles. We got the faux scoops on the side there. There's your wheels from this angle here. We got the added air piece there with the dam. We got the graphics on the side, says Mustang with the red highlights, and we got the 5-liter Coyote badge there, so that was added. I'll just stop here. It's a black car, so here paint looks great here. As you can see, you got a good body line there. It also has the illumination. When you open the door, you get the Mustang symbol light up onto the ground. All right, LED projector headlights. We have the front fascia here, the front spoiler. Just feel down here, that all feels pretty good. This piece was added just for a little more effect. We got the blacked out grille with the Mustang off-centered there. Chrome surround around the grille. And here's our hood here with the hood liner. Here's the engine. So the power plant is the 5-liter Coyote engine. It's a V8 producing 460 horsepower. Being the GT model, you're gonna get the stiffer suspension, get the GT brace there. This one has an upgraded air raid, cold air intake system. It's got the shocks to hold up the hood as well. Close the hood, we'll step back here. Performance hood with the faux scoops. And we have not polished this car, so we're going to do a 5-stage polish on it, as we do to all cars. So you can see we have a great starting point. I do see a little touch up there, maybe there. We'll do our best to tackle those, but I'd like to point out any defects on the car. All right, back to our door panel here. So we got blind spot monitoring, the mirror there. We got the memory package for your driver, power locks, mirrors, and windows. We'll step back here, you can see that door panel. Here's our dash over here. Got the nice red stitching on the dash as well there. Here's our door jambs. Check out rear seat here, looking great. And there's our light bar there. Down below, got the pedals, so the aluminum pedals, the carpeted mats look great. Here's your power seat with lumbar. We'll scan this leather here. There we are. All right, we'll hop in the car. Starting over here, we got the vents. We got all your headlight controls there. Down below, we have a storage compartment. Trunk release there. Underneath the steering column here, we got a lever for power or manual tilt and telescopic wheel. We got your lane help there system. We got paddle shifters on the steering wheel, so they're tucked nicely. Upshift, downshift, your audio controls. We have adaptive cruise control here. We have your nav feature here. Here's your pony, which is your performance, and then your arrow keys, Bluetooth, and your windshield wiper settings there, and they are automatic. Starting down here, it's a push button start. All right, sounds great right on fire up. That Coyote sounds awesome with the active exhaust. We got the leather steering wheel here. You can see it's a 3-spoke design with all the keys there. We have the Mustang badge in the center. We'll come to the gauge cluster here, so fully digital. Check out the mileage, only 10,448 kilometers. I'm gonna hit some of the keys here, so there we are. So we got the Mustang performance mode here. You got my mode, so you can customize it. Here's your exhaust mode, so you can change it to how you like it. Well, let's put it in track for now. It sounds the best in my opinion. And we have track apps here, so you can see all the different features there. Start option if you want to start quiet or loud. Here's our gauges, my color, so you can change it, and your cluster appearance as well. So really cool there. We have navigation, so you can see that there as well. Show you up here, we got the universal garage door opener. Here's your map lights, and then we have your power convertible top there. Here's your mirror, and then down here you can see the B&O badge. Here's your gauges, so it has the performance gauges on this one instead of the 3 vents. So you got your oil pressure gauge as well as your vacuum gauge. Down here we got this large touchscreen here. Let's start here. So you got your climate controls here, so dual zone climate control, your phone controls obviously. We have factory navigation, so that's another upgrade there. Here's your apps, and then all your settings here. Again, Bluetooth, has Ford Connect there, your valet mode, as well as I'll throw it in reverse, so you can see reverse camera with the park sensors. Down below we have your audio with the CD player there. Check out the seats. We got heated and cooled seats up front here, so great with the convertible. Down here you're going to see the switches, so it's done in carbon fiber, so these are toggles here, so your hazards, traction control, your steering mode, and your drive mode features there. Down below, USB there, little pocket there, and check out the automatic shifter here. It's got the upgraded handle. It looks like a manual, so you push up and then come down like that. So pretty cool there. Here's your manual e-brakes handle there. You can see the red on that as well. Feels great. We have the cup holders here, illuminating lighting. And we got your console here. Put my hand in there, USB slot there. All right, we're gonna open up the door next. I'll get the headlights on, and let's give it a few reps. One more time. I told you that sounds great. All right, actually we'll put that top up here, so hit that button. Oh, this way here, you can see it come up. You can see the top is fully lined underneath. It has a full glass window as well with a defogger. We do have one clip here. Put that down, and we'll jump out. We'll get the windows up here. And make our way to here. We'll spin it around, and how about that? What a great looking Mustang. LEDs are lit up back there, and listen to that exhaust idle. Alright, so here we have it. This is a 2021 Ford Mustang Premium GT Convertible. It's got the active exhaust system, the 5-liter Coyote, 10-speed automatic, and all your creature comforts. It's painted in ShadowBlack with showstopper red leather seats. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.